No cash, no bank, no sales, no purchases. Still, you need to pass an entry in Tally Prime. Then, this journal voucher is your solution. Journal voucher is used to enter the year end entries, adjustment entries, correction entries, and non cash transactions. Example: outstanding expenses, receivables, depreciation, bad debts, and so on. Watch this video till the end to understand better. It will be explained step by step how to enter the journal voucher with live example entries. Hi everyone, welcome to Unnati Pro Academy. Let us start the session now. Hi friends, today let us learn about journal voucher. Journal voucher is used to enter the adjustment entries, correction entries, outstanding expenses, receivables, depreciation, bad debts, and so on. In other words, once the entry is given, please check. If the entry does not include cash, bank, sales, and purchases, those entries should be entered in journal voucher. In the description box, we have given the notes for journal voucher. It is in PDF format. Please download it and go through it. If you have any doubts or any clarification if you need, comment below. Friends, let us start entering journal voucher. First, let us go to vouchers, press enter. Now you see it is in payment voucher. We have to change it to journal by clicking over here or pressing F7. Yeah, now let us see the example. A business has furniture 50,000. The yearly depreciation is 10% of 50,000, that is 5,000 rupees depreciation. Now the entry for that is debit depreciation 5,000, credit furniture 5,000. So now the entry is in debit. See here it is mentioned as DR. DR means debit. Debit depreciation account. Depreciation account is not there in the list. So let us go to create, press enter, type depreciation. Press enter, press enter. Here you have to select indirect expense because depreciation is an expense. Press enter, come to an end, press enter to accept it. Now enter the amount 5,000 and press enter. You keep it as it is and here you make it CR because credit. Press enter. See, now it has been changed to credit. Credit furniture account. Select furniture. Enter 5,000 and press enter. Keep it as it is. Now you have to enter the narration. Whatever narration you want to enter, you can enter. Be clear what you have to enter and then you have to enter it properly. Press enter. Press enter to accept. Now the voucher has been saved. Now let us see the second example. Second example is the customer is not paying the amount rupees 2,500. The customer name is Aroha Space. So the entry for that is bad debts account debit and debtors account, that is Aroha Space account, is credit. So we have to debit bad debts account. So here bad debt account is not there. So we have to create it. Go to create, press enter, enter Account name, bad debts. Bad debts is also an expense. So enter, press enter to accept. Now enter rupees 2500. Press enter and press enter. Keep it as it is. Now it has to be credit. It is already there as credit. Press enter. Select Aroha space. Enter 2500 rupees and enter the narration bad debt. Bad debt written off. Bad debt means it is not receivable. The customer is not able to give the amount, so we are writing it off. You have to enter the narration properly. Press enter. Press enter to accept it. Now the voucher has been saved. Friends, let us see the third example. The example is goods given to promotion, rupees 1000. The goods is the pen drive. The journal entry for this is advertisement account debit 1000 and purchase account credit 1000. So we have to debit the advertisement account. Advertisement account is not there in the list. So let us go to create, press enter, type advertisement. Press enter. Advertisement is also an expense. So press enter, come to an end. Press enter to accept it. Type 1000 and press enter, come to an end. Here credit purchase account. Credit already there. Press enter. Select purchase account. Press enter. If you want, you can select the item. I'll keep it blank. Now credit amount is 1000. Press enter as it is. And narration enter. Pen drive given for promotion. You can enter any narration. Be clear what to enter, then you can enter it. Press enter. Press enter to accept. Now this voucher has been saved. Now let us go back to gateway of tally. Press escape. Press escape. Now this is the gateway of tally. You can see it here. And come to display more reports. Press enter. Go to account books. Press enter. Go to ledger. Press enter. Here you can see the depreciation account which we have entered first example. Press enter. See here, depreciation account has been debited. See here on the debit, 5000 rupees. And again, you can see the ledger. Press here. Go to furniture. Press enter. See, the furniture account has been credited by 5000 rupees. If you want to see the narration, plus F12. Here, show narrations. Make it yes. Come to an end by pressing enter and accept. Now you can see the narration. Now let us see the report for second example. By pressing F4 or clicking it over here, we can change the ledger. Bad debts. Select bad debts. Press enter. See, bad debts account has been debited by 2500 rupees. and we have to select the Aroha Space account. Go to Ledgers, select Aroha Space, press enter. See, the 2500 rupees has been credited. The narration is bad debt written off. This is how we can see all the reports. Come back by pressing escape. And this is the gateway of Tally. Thank you, friends. Let us meet in the next video with some interesting chapters. If you find this video is helping you, like this video, share with your friends and subscribe for this channel for more videos like this. And comment below what topic should I cover in the next video. Thank you once again.